How to turn customized calendars on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether your calendar app can personalize your experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, find Calendars from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, your calendar app uses your schedule and usage patterns to offer smarter suggestions, like automatically adding events based on your activity or highlighting dates that are likely relevant to you. From here, it can also personalize reminders and event recommendations based on how you typically use the app, making your calendar feel more intuitive and in tune with your routine. Moving on, turning it off simply stops the calendar from using your data for personalization. All your existing events, reminders, and appointments will remain completely untouched. Finally, the change takes effect right away with no restart needed. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.